Objectives: identify the morphology of fluke eggs, specifically Fasciola species, and demonstrate how to perform sedimentation technique for detection of fluke eggs. Materials needed are 2 beakers or plastic containers, tea strainer, measuring cylinder, tongue blades or stirring rod, test tube and test tube rack, methylene blue 1% solution, microscope slides and cover slips, pipettes, and microscope. Step 1. Weigh or measure approximately 3 g of feces into container 1. Step 2. Pour 40 to 50 milliliters of distilled water into the container. Step 3. Mix feces and water thoroughly. Step 4. Filter the suspension through a tea strainer into the container. Step 5. Pour the filtered material into a test tube and allow to sediment for 5 minutes. Step 6. Resuspend the sediment in 5 milliliters of distilled water and allow to sediment for 5 minutes. Step 7. Discard the supernatant carefully and stain the sediment by adding 1 drop of methylene blue. Then, cover the droplet with a cover slip. Step 8. The samples were examined under the microscope. Single trematode egg found, and were distinguished according to its morphological characteristics. The owner stated that their animals had not been dewormed. Most deworming treatments treat helminth infections, and some parasites are also resistant to the dewormer. For this reason, it's vital to avoid that a single dewormer would be effective in eliminating all of the parasites at once. Based on the results of the fecal examination, samples of feces from the cattle tested positive. Using the morphological properties of the eggs, they were identified as Fasciola hepatica.